favor? Go on my YouTube channel. I'm doing a test and see if I actually am broadcasting live on YouTube, and what does it look like? What's that? I can't hear you. Oh, it shows it? It's live? No, but it's working? Wow. So today we are doing learning the values. It is the fundamentals of drawing a portrait is knowing the values. The fundamental of doing an airbrush portrait. Values are everything. It's the lights and the darks. Without that, I don't care how good the lines are. I don't care how good the color is. It's not going to work. So right now I'm just making a very long rectangle. And what I want to do is divide that rectangle into 4 equal sizes. Doesn't have to be perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we'll make it 5. That's even better. What we're going to do is we're going to actually work from light to dark just using our pencil. Okay, so this is going to be our white right here, and this is going to be our black. So what we can do is we could work on getting that black. Now I use a woodless graphite 6B, and let's see how. I like doing cross hatching. Okay. So what I do is I just do cross hatching. That could be another lesson on cross hatching if you're not aware of what that is. Basically, it's just crisscrossing at different angles. Each time you do that with the pencil, it gets darker. So you see how when we use a 6B, which is a very soft pencil, we're able to get very dark tones, but still we have to crisscross. So this is basically my first live view on YouTube, and it actually went pretty well. Notice how black I'm able to go. This black should be an element in your portraits without exception. I see when I was a student, and when I have students, a lot of times they don't go as dark as they should, because we have to train our eyes to see that. Okay, we're going to use that same 6B, I sharpened it a little bit. And what I like to do is just extend this value up here using that crosshatch. And then same thing here. So basically each square is going to be a solid tone. It's not going to be faded. It's not going to be darker in one area of the square and lighter in the other. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to move into my mechanical pencil because it's getting a little more finesse here. So basically what I want you young artists and more seasoned artists to realize, if you don't already, is that the values are everything. But you have to be able to see the values and reproduce them quickly. There are so many tools on the internet for that, which is great. Let's just go ahead, get a little bit darker before the white. So you see, if you're drawing and if you use these values, you're going to be able to recreate a photograph with precision and intense realism. Okay, so now what I want you to do when you have that is I want you to go ahead, as I am, and blend it. See how I'm blending the black into this dark area? See that? And then we're going to blend this into here. And I just want you to see, if you originally, with those 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually, those 5 values, you'll be able to identify just about every value that is in whatever you're drawing. Now you see that everything is blending into one another. That's what you want. When you do that, you actually did it correctly. See that, guys? Bam. That's your values. We can look at it this way. value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4, and value 5. We're going to go ahead. I'm going to do a live feed maybe later this evening or tomorrow. We're going to go over value, how it's important, and we're going to apply this to a drawing project together. So, have a great night if you stop by. It's great talking to you. Take care.